Well, without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, there she goes. Got her all tuned up. Fresh oil, fresh gas. Do a little walk around here. LEDs are blinking and changing colors. Watch this. Exhaust is looking great. You guys know I love that exhaust. She's all blacked out. How does she sound? Let's find out. I could adjust the idle. These things like to idle around 1500 RPM. I think she's a little bit lower than that. Yeah. So, but I'm done. She's rolling, guys. I got her up to about 65. So that's all I need. I weigh 230 pounds. So these things fly, guys. Just take your time and get it tuned right. Make sure you got the right jet in there. I'm running a 120 jet. Make sure your needle's set at the right height. I have mine in the middle, so I didn't have to move that. And that's really it. So she's all ready to go.